Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. I'm the Oracle Cloud Source to Settle and OBN expert here at Panameer. For over 25 years, I've deployed Oracle applications for some of the world's largest organizations. You're watching a functionality overview video. In this video, I discuss the invoice validation functionality within Oracle Cloud. This functionality occurs within the Payables Functional Area. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the Payables Functional Area. I'm going to use the following 5 slides to explain this topic. What is invoice validation? Matching versus validation? Who validates invoices? How they are validated? And finally, when they are validated. But best of all, I'm going to do this in less than 5 minutes, so let's get started. Slide 1. What is invoice validation? Invoice validation refers to the process of applying business rules to determine if the invoices are ready for payment and calculating the required amounts in preparation for the creation of accounting entries. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the invoices application. Slide 2. Matching versus validation. Invoice matching links an invoice to its related transactions, purchase orders, and receipts. Invoice validation applies the business rules required to ensure the invoice is valid, ready for payment, and ready to create the required accounting entries. So a little bit larger scope, if you will. Speaking of purchasing, click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the purchasing application if you want to know more. Slide 3. Who validates invoices? The validators of invoices are as follows. The payables clerk, and then let's say Oracle Cloud. Look, there's a variety of parties that want to run the validation. Usually online is payables clerk, but then other validations can be run offline for, let's say, inbound invoices from OBN, for example. Okay, slide 4, how are invoices validated? Invoice validation performs the following steps. Check the variance in place holds, so it looks at quantities, unit prices, and amounts. Generate distributions. Create tax lines to self-assess if required. Validate what they call POET, so this is the project information. Check accounting period. And then lastly, optionally if it's government, to reserve funds. And lastly, slide 5, when are invoices validated? So let's quickly walk through the payables process and see. Now, optionally, step 1, procurement services are performed. So maybe a requester grabs some pre-negotiated content, generates a purchase order, order goes out, goods are received. Then step 2, when the goods are received, as you can see on this slide, validating the invoice is the 3rd step in the payable services, where the bill comes in, the invoice gets input, validation occurs right there. Payables clerk will run the payments, pay it, and the accountant's cost. Okay? Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the procurement process in more detail if you want to know. So this is the end of this video presentation, but hopefully it's just the beginning of your Panameer journey. Did you know that there are thousands of free videos just like this one on Panameer.com and hundreds more on Panameer's YouTube channel? In fact, if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. Panameer wants to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.